Good morning. The next topic is mutation breeding. Mutation breeding in plant breeding program. Okay, in this unit, uh, we can start with the first topic is write down the heading. The use of mutagens in crop improvement with a special reference to India. The use of mutagens in crop improvement with a special reference to India. Okay, write down. The agents which are used for mutation are the mutagens. Are the mutagens. First stop. They are of different kinds of radiations and chemicals. First stop. Next sentence. The radiation mutagens are the physical mutagens. Full stop. The important properties of mutagens are grouped as follows. 1. Physical mutagens. 2. Chemical mutagens. 1. Then subheading 1. Physical mutagens. They are of two types. A. Ionizing radiations. IONISING. Ionizing radiations. B. Non-ionizing radiations. Then A. Ionizing radiations. Subheading ionizing radiations. Okay, write down. These are of two types. These are of two types. First up, particulate radiations. PARTICULATE. Particulate radiations. And non-particulate radiations. NON hyphen. Non-particulate radiations. First up, next part. The particulate radiations are alpha rays in brackets capital D, capital I, DI, close the bracket, comma, beta rays in brackets capital S, capital I, SI, close the bracket, comma, fast neutrons, FAST, NEUTRONS, fast neutrons in brackets capital D, capital I, close the bracket, and thermal neutrons, okay, full stop. Next better, the non-particulate radiations are electromagnetic radiations. Full stop. Example, X-rays in bracket capital S, capital I, close the bracket, and gamma rays in brackets capital S, capital I, close the bracket, full stop. Then subheading B, non-ionizing radiations. The non-ionizing radiations are ultraviolet in brackets capital UV, ultraviolet radiations. Full stop. Next bar. The mechanism of action of physical mutagens are of direct effect. First off, the primary effect of radiation is The primary effect of radiation is due to ionization, ionization, ionization. First up, the mechanism of ionization differ to some extent extent from one radiation to the other. First up, this radiation has high biological significance. First up, the effects are considered to be produced by ion pairs, ion pairs. First up, the genetic effect of radiations results on DNA and show the gene mutation. Next heading 2, chemical mutagens. Okay, write down. They are A. Alkylating agents, ALKYLATING, alkylating agents. B. Acridine dyes, ACRIDIN, acridine DYES dyes. C. Base analogues, BASE, ANALOGUES. Then D. Others. Okay, full stop. Next one. The alkylating agents are sulfur mustards, SULPHUR, MUSTARDS, sulfur mustards. Nitrogen mustards, NITROGEN, MUSTARDS, nitrogen mustards. Epoxides, EPOXIDES, comma, ethylene imine, ETHYLENE, hyphen, IMINES, comma, sulfates, SULPHATES, and sulfonates, SULPHONATES. Stop. Example 1. Ethyl methyl sulfonate, ETHYL hyphen METHYL, SULPHONATE, ethyl methyl sulfonate, or capital E, capital M, capital S, EMS. Then 2. Methyl methane sulfonate, METHYL hyphen METHANE, SULPHONATE, methyl methane sulfonate, or capital M, capital M, capital S, MMS. First up, next paragraph. Acridine dyes are, ACRIDINE, acridine dyes are acriflavine, ACRIFLAVINE, comma, proflavin, PROFLAVINE, comma, acridine orange, ACRIDINE, acridine orange, ORANGE, comma, acridine yellow, ACRIDINE, YELLOW, comma, ethidium bromide, ETHIDIUM, BROMIDE. First up, next paragraph. Base analogues are BASE, ANALOGS. Base analogues are 5-bromouracil, 5 in digit, 5 hyphen BROMOURACIL, 5-bromouracil, comma, 5-chlorouracil, CHLOROURACIL, 5 hyphen chlorouracil. First up, next paragraph. The others are nitrous acid, NITROUS, comma, hydroxylamine, HYDROXYL, AMINE, and sodium azide, SODIUM, AZIDE. First up, next one. The mechanism of action of mutagens varies to a great extent, EXTENT. First up, the mutagenic changes show changes in one or more nucleotides by transition or transversion, TRANSITION, transition or transversion, TRANSVERSION. First of all, the action of these agents are: 1. Reaction with the phosphate in the DNA and sugar backbone. First of all, it causes backbone breaks, BACK-BONE, BREAKS, backbone breaks. 2. Reaction with the ring nitrogen leads to a removal of a base, comma, which also lead to backbone break. First of 3. Transition of GC, guanine and cytosine, capital G, capital C, GC to A, adenine, A, capital A, comma, result the mistakes in base pairing. The mistakes in base pairing. Full stop. Next paragraph. Generally, the varieties selected for mutagenesis are the best varieties available in the crop. Full stop. So, phylogenetic traits, TRITS, are to be improved. First up, the mutants are used in hybridization program for transferring the mutant characters to a superior variety. First up, it is made applicable in wheat and rice. First up. Next one, the treatment of mutagens in vegetative propagules produce chimeras, CHIMERAS, chimeras. First stop. The chimera is an individual with one genotype in some parts and another genotypes in other parts. First stop. Next paragraph. In clonal crops, the chimeras are used to produce homogeneous individuals. First stop. It is applied in tissue culture and other horticultural manipulations. Full stop. Next paragraph. The mutagenic work in India started in 1930s, 1930, on small scale. First stop. But, comma, considerable attention had gained in 1950s, 1950, and 1960s, 1960. First stop. A good number of crop varieties have been developed by mutagenesis. Full stop. Example: N capital P capital NP 836 836 hyphen wheat, WHEAT, comma, Indore to cotton, INDORE hyphen 2 digital hyphen cotton, COTTON, comma, Jagannath rice, JAGANNATH, Jagannath rice, and sugar cane and sugar cane, CO, C capital O small, CO hyphen 8152 and 8153, comma, and onless, AWNLESS, onless wheat variety, N capital P capital, NP hyphen 799, comma, etc. Full stop. Next para. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. SWAMINATHAN. Comma. A leading agricultural scientist and pioneer, PIONWR, pioneer radiation breeder, under whose guidance mutation breeding work is being done at Indian Agricultural Research Institute, IARI, New Delhi. Okay, thank you.